Hello student, I'm from Lalbagh Girls City College. Today my class is for class 11 and the topic is emotion, subject is psychology. Today I'm going to explain some theories of emotion. The first theory, which is popularly known as James Lange theory. This theory was propounded by James and Lange separately, but due to the common element it is termed as James Lange theory of emotion. It believes that the felt emotions are the perception of bodily changes. According to William James, we feel sorry because we cry, angry because we strike, afraid because we tremble. It follows the following sequence to exhibit emotional expressions. Like we perceive the situation, that will produce emotion. We react to this situation, and third, we notice our reaction, and this is the basic of emotion. So according to the James Lange theory, our emotional state divided into three parts. First, we perceive the situation, then we react to that situation, and then we notice our reaction, and this is what we call the basic of emotion, that is theory of James Lange. Thus, the felt emotion occurs after the bodily changes in the autonomic nervous system of movements of the body. We can depict this theory according to the 3 points which I have explained to you. He also supported this theory by putting forward the following example. The dramatist or artist in the movies act various emotions such as love, fear, anger only due to bodily changes. That we can, whenever we are changes our bodily movement, we can feel all those emotions. James Lange proved this theory like depression and fear is experienced by neurotic patients with the help of objectless emotions. The emotional state may come to an end if the body changes are obstructed. James in his book wrote, "My theory is that the bodily changes follow directly the perception of the existing fact that a feeling of the same changes as they occur." According to James Lange, bodily arousal as increased heartbeats does not follow a feeling such as fear. Instead, they argue that emotional feelings follow bodily arousal. Thus, we see a bear run, are aroused, and then feel fear as we become aware of the bodily changes. James and Lange have also said about this theory that stimuli are received by one or more sensory organs. The stimuli reaches to cortex through sensory nerves. Cerebral cortex send to the message of body changes to muscle and to internal organs as a result. Body changes take place. When the message of the body changes, it reaches to the cerebral cortex through sensory nerves and the person experiences emotions. So this is the James Lange theory.